Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dr. T. So listen, I was going through YouTube, as I often do, and I thought, I'm going to look up every movie that has something about a chiropractor in there. So here's some of the clips I saw. Tell me what you guys think about it in the comments. Have a good day.
Stop it. Come on. Hurry. Oh, this is so crazy. Oh, God. Seriously?
Oh, got it.
Will you please just go see a chiropractor?
It's going to be fine.
Alan, no way.
We talked about this in LA.
About me getting an adjustment. Just tune it out. I'm just gonna. Julie, shut up. Don't tell me to tune it out.
You're off this shit.
Hey, I thought real doctors hated chiropractors.
Well, that is our official stance, but between you, me, and my golf clubs, they're miracle workers.